Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're pretty much going to be bleeding the brakes on this car. Pedal's a little squishy, and I did do an inspection on the brakes and everything seems to be in good condition, besides the rear brake shoes. Those do need to get replaced. So we're gonna go ahead and bleed the brakes. I bought this thing on the TikTok shop. It's like a solo bleeder kit thing, so like no air goes back into the system, which is kind of awesome. So this is going to be the first time I use this, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to get started, you want to obviously start on the brakes that are pretty much the furthest from the master cylinder. So this one, for this car, it's going to be on the back passenger side. Got my hoses here, and it has like a direction here, so that obviously goes downwards. And for mine, it's actually a 10 millimeter. I know sometimes they're slightly different, but let's see. Okay, so I got the hose on there. And the cool thing about this, you don't even have to add fluid in here, because if it has that system, you know, it doesn't need it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I don't know how well you guys could see. Let me see if I can stand it up a little better. There we go. And I'm gonna crack this loose. Oh no, it's not wanting to. I do not want to strip this. I'm gonna upgrade this system to .4, and you pretty much want to make sure that's full. I'm gonna overfill it right now. If you could remove this old stuff and then replace it with new stuff, that's even better than what I'm doing here. But I'm kind of shy recording right now. I kind of have family, so I'm just gonna pour more in there. Make sure not to get this anywhere else. Okay, so I got this set up. Let's go ahead. I also already broke the line, so let's go ahead and start pressing on that pedal so we can get rid of that them bubbles. 1 all the way down, 2 all the way down, 3 all the way down, probably like 4 times. I think I'm gonna pump it so many times so I could just keep refilling this fluid. Let me go check it. Oh wow, it still has a bunch. Because the goal is to get rid of all this fluid. Wow, it's a lot of little bubbles. I could see the bubble up here trying to go back into, but because of this valve, no bubbles will go back into the system. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna keep pumping. I ended up getting a larger bottle, but this is the fluid. That is terrible. Wow, that is crazy. I'm gonna put this on a time lapse. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much what this little valve does. It pretty much makes the single person brake bleeding so much easier and trustworthy. But wow, look at that dirty fluid. But it's looking so much better up here. It's a big difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other 3. And don't forget to go ahead and give this a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to continue to see the build on the Land Cruiser. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. Peace.